What's up, everybody? This is Coach Slack from Timnath Elementary and the Mountain Schools. I'm bringing you another idea that you can use for sock basketball for this virtual field day. Same equipment necessarily if you watch my other video. One pair of rolled up socks, maybe one pair of rolled up socks for everybody that's going to participate, and some sort of a bucket. I have a 5-gallon bucket that I put up on that bench over there so you can see it better. And the way horses play is I take a shot. If I make that shot, then whoever is next has to take that same shot that I made. If they miss that shot, then they get a letter. If I missed my first shot, then that next person is up and they can shoot from wherever they want. You only have to follow somebody's shot after they make it. You don't want to spell the letter horse, or you don't want to get that many letters. So if you miss the shot that somebody made, then you get a letter. You don't want horse. Okay, so get creative, looking for some good shots here. So mine is going to be a behind the back spin. Oh, that was close. Hey guys, here's some trick shots for a horse. Take the sock, I'm gonna throw it under my leg, turn around, spin,